Welcome to 2 Minutes to Launch. My name is Terry, and today we'll be talking about how manufacturing lead times are determined. And I'm talking about the entire time from your order placement to delivery of finished goods when I'm talking about lead time. So, manufacturing can't begin until all components and materials are in-house. So, the primary driver to the overall schedule is going to be component lead times. Usually there's just a few items on the bill of materials that set the overall schedule, and quite often you can make a choice between price and availability of those long lead time items. So usually the lowest price can be had by going directly to the manufacturer, but quite often that comes with the longest lead time. So it's very common to buy parts through distribution to maybe at a little bit of a price premium in order to significantly shorten the schedule. Other things to consider when you're looking at component lead time are the local holidays where your suppliers are based, things like Chinese New Year as an example. There's some other items that can sneak up on you, like global pandemics, that you might not be able to prepare for, but that could wreak havoc on your supply chain. The second part that we'll talk about today is the actual assembly itself. So the operations of injection molding, of surface mount for printed circuit board assemblies, testing, packaging, all of those things take time. You also have to get onto the schedule at the factory. So depending on the production capacity at the moment, it may only take a week to make the product, but it might take 2 weeks to get it scheduled. As a general rule of thumb, we like to say 3 to 4 weeks after all materials are in-house is a good estimate for production timing. Lastly, we'll talk about logistics. Where are the goods being made and where are they shipping to? So for example, if you're taking goods from Hong Kong into the United States, you're going to have to take that time into account. Are you shipping air or ocean? That's going to be the difference of a few days versus a few weeks. And then ultimately, where are those goods going from the port? Do they go through a distribution center onto a retail shelf, or do they go through a third-party logistics or fulfillment center before they make their way all the way to an end customer? So all of those things combined go into determining your manufacturing lead time. Thanks again for watching. This has been 2 Minutes to Launch. We'll see you next time.